Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Are you trying to teach yourself guitar and getting frustrated? I know how that can go. I taught myself for a long time. And so if you are trying to learn the guitar and you think it should be fun and it should be simple, and when you're learning new things, they should be effective and get you playing and get you results really quick, that's what I'm here to do. My name is Brad Litton. I have been playing guitar for a little over 20 years and I've been teaching since about 2009. In that time, I've owned a music school, I've taught hundreds of students, and I've learned a lot along the way about ways that I can help you play guitar better. So if you think that learning guitar should be fun, it should be simple, and it should be effective, then I hope that my videos here on YouTube are going to help you out. Because I believe you should be able to feel like a rock star even if you're just starting out on the guitar. Do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and check out all my videos. Have fun with it. I hope that they help you out because that's why I'm here. I'm here to help you feel like a rock star even if you're just starting out.